How to fix app lock password forgot. So if you've forgotten your app lock password, then what you need to do is there are two ways. Like if you are using an application to lock your apps, then you can just simply go and uninstall the application and your problem will be fixed. Or the other way is if you have locked your apps through your device settings, then you can just open up your settings, scroll down, go with the privacy section or security. Under security, you need to scroll down and go with privacy and app encryption. Enter your device fingerprint or your password, and then go with app encryption or app locking. Once you're under the app lock, now you need to toggle off the option in which you've logged. So if, for example, if I've logged my albums application, then you just need to simply go and toggle it off and your app lock will be removed. That's how you can fix your app lock password forgot. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.